Hello dear friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Santosh Sarode, mechanical engineer. Today I am going to explain the gear tooth terminology. So in this video I explain all the definition based on the tooth terminology. So dear friend, I hope you all take the benefits of this video. I request you all please like and subscribe my channel. So without wasting time, I would like to start my video. First, Spur Gear Tooth Terminology. In this figure, this is the spur gear tooth. Over this tooth, there is the different areas and having some names. So today in this video, we will discuss and talking about the definition of this all the name of tooth terminology. So now first, pitch circle. It is an imaginary circle which gives the pure rolling action. So this is the pitch circle which gives the pure rolling action. So this is the pitch circle. Now pitch circle diameter. So it is the diameter of a pitch circle. This is the pitch circle having diameter from its center point. So this is the pitch circle diameter, PCD. Now third, pitch point. It is common point of contact between two pitch circles. So two gear is there and having the two pitch circle which are meet at a point, that point is called as pitch point. Now fourth, pressure angle or angle of obliquity. It is an angle between the common normal to two gear teeth at the point of contact and the common tangent at the pitch point. That means what? This is the common normal to the two gears meet at this point and common tangent to this pitch point. That angle is called as pressure angle. So the pressure angle is in between the 1 to 14 and 20. So this is the range of pressure angle. Now next, fifth, addendum. It is a radial distance of tooth from the pitch circle to the top of gear. So addendum means what? It is the radial distance from this pitch circle to the top of tooth. So this distance is called as addendum. Now dedendum. Sixth, dedendum means what? It is the radial distance from pitch circle to the bottom of tooth. This distance called as dedendum. Okay. Now 7, addendum circle and 8, dedendum circle. This circle, this is the addendum circle and this is called dedendum circle. The circle which is drawn through the top of tooth is called as addendum circle, and the circle which is drawn from the bottom of tooth is called as dedendum circle. Now circular pitch. It is the distance measured along the circumference of the pitch circle from a point of one tooth to the corresponding point of next tooth. So here I will show you. This is the pitch circle we want to measure along this pitch circle line. It is at the point of this tooth to the corresponding point of next tooth. This distance is called as circular pitch. So it is denoted by PC is equal to pi d upon t. This is the mathematical expression. Now 10, diametral pitch, PD. It is the ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter in millimeter. So diametral pitch is equal to number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter. Now module. Module, it is the ratio of pitch circle diameter in the millimeter to the number of teeth. So capital D upon T, pitch circle diameter upon number of teeth. Now 12, clearance. it is the radial distance from the top of tooth to the bottom of the teeth. In which condition? Meshing gear. So when two gears are meshed, these teeth are meshed with this two teeth of the another gear. So this space is called as clearance. This space is called as clearance, which is also shown over this. The another tooth having engagement with this opposite gear up to this point, and after that there is the empty space. There is the space. That space is called as clearance. Okay. So this is the clearance. Now, total depth. It is the radial distance between the addendum and dedendum circle of the gear. So, which is shown over the figure like this. Total depth. It is the radial distance from addendum circle to the dedendum circle. This distance is called as total depth. Now, working depth. It is the radial distance between the addendum circle and clearance circle is called as working depth. Now, tooth thickness. It is the width of the tooth measured along the pitch circle. It is the width of the tooth measured along the pitch circle. This is the tooth thickness. Okay. The distance from this point to this point, which is measured along the pitch circle, that thickness is called as tooth thickness. Now, tooth space. It is the width of space between the two adjacent teeth. Width of space. This is the width of space which is measured along the pitch circle. That space is called as tooth space. Okay. Now, backlash. It is the difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness as measured along the pitch circle. That means here the width of space, that is tooth space, and tooth thickness of opposite gear, which are meshed with each other, that difference is called as backlash. So it is the difference between the tooth space and tooth thickness, which is measured along the pitch circle. Theoretically, backlash is 0, should be 0, but actual practice, some backlash must be allowed to prevent the jamming. If you are not providing the backlash, so the gear are jammed. So that's why we are providing the backlash. Okay. Now 18. Face of tooth. It is the surface of gear tooth above the pitch circle. Face of tooth. Face of tooth. It is the surface above the pitch circle. So that is called as face, tooth space. Flank. It is the area below the pitch circle of tooth space. Okay, so this is called as flank. Topland. It is the surface of top of the tooth. It is the surface of the top of tooth. So top land. Okay. Now face width. It is the width of the gear tooth measured parallel to its axis. Parallel to the axis. This is the face width, which is measured along the parallel to the axis of this tooth. Okay. Profile. It is the curve formed by the face and flank of the tooth. It is the curve formed by the face and flank. So that is called as profile. Fillet radius. It is the radius that connects the root circle to the profile of the tooth. Root circle to the profile of the tooth. That radius is called as fillet area. I hope you understand all the topics. So, thank you dear friends.